Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss how to monitor Linux system memory utilization using Ansible Playbook. Monitoring the server is the one of the day-to-day operation for Linux system administrator. Before moving to this playbook creation, we must install the below listed two RPM packages. So using this command, you can install the both RPMs. So next step, how we are going to create the playbook. So I already created the playbook. I am going to explain that these are the two conditions we are going to apply to monitor the memory utilization. The condition number one, if memory used to percentage is less than 90, means is normal. If memory used to percentage greater than or equal to the 90%, which means abnormal. The same condition I have applied in the Ansible playbook. Let me show you the playbook. You can see here I have created a small script which will get the memory utilization in percentage. So for this script, how to configure, how to create, I already posted one video. I can mention the description link. You can follow that. Small script. Using this script, I will get the memory utilization in percentage. So step number two. Here you can see first step. I am copying this script into the target host, means that whatever host I have mentioned in the inventory, I am copying this script using copy module. Step number two. You can see here I am executing the script and storing the result into the variable called memsec. I am storing the script result here. So same like I am executing the same script, and each and every time I am storing the value into the different variable, like preparing memory utilization. So means first interval I am executing, I am storing that result into the this file. And second time I am executing, I am storing the value into the this variable. Third time I am executing, I am storing the value into this script. Fourth time I am executing, they are storing the value into this script. This variable. So these are the variable I am storing the memory utilization for four interval. So you can use how many intervals you want to capture the memory utilization. Why? Because I am doing this. Sometime memory utilization might be the fluctuation happen. So that time once one interval it could be normal, the next interval it could be abnormal. So to make sure that, so we are using this method, like I am continuously monitoring for four intervals, like each interval it will capture the memory utilization, it will store this variable. Now I am coming to the next line. You see here I am applying the condition, actual condition. So this is my condition. You see here this is for abnormal. I am applying the condition. If all the time each variable that result, the memory utilization result is greater than 90, you can see here greater than, if it is 90, if it is greater than 90, it will say abnormal. So here I am storing that result into this value, means during that time what is the memory utilization I am storing into here. So this is one of the condition. So I applied here. Why? Because if the system is high and during that time what is the percentage of that. So to print the message I am capturing this result. Okay. Now I am coming to the actual condition. You can see this play will help you to print the message if the memory utilization is normal. You can see here all the time the memory utilization, like four interval, interval 1, interval 2, interval 3 and interval 4. So all the interval, if the memory utilization is less than 90, which means it will say like it must, all the interval less than 90, it will say it is normal. And it is the formula, memory utilization is equal to total minus free divided by 100 into the total into 100, which will convert into the percentage. So the result I am storing here. Now I am going to the next condition, that is for abnormal. You see here this is the next condition which I mentioned in the notepad as well. Let me show you that. Yeah, you can see this is the condition, else condition I have applied. If the memory utilization is greater than or equal to 90%, which means this is abnormal. The same thing I have deployed in the Ansible playbook. You can see here, every time I have mentioned that memory utilization so greater than or equal to 90%, which means it's abnormal. So all the 4 intervals I am capturing that. In this condition, I have mentioned that OR condition. You see here, I have mentioned OR condition, which means it will make sure if any one of the interval is in the memory utilization is more than 90%, and this will print this message. So this is the total playbook. I am going to show you how to execute. I did the syntax check. So I already have the command is ready. I am executing the syntax check. Looks there is no error in the playbook, so everything is normal. I am going to execute the playbook now. Now execute the memory utilization monitoring playbook, and this is the playbook. So I already have the inventory file. So I have used my Ansible node as the inventory file. I am executing the playbook. Now you can see the monitoring playbook how it is working. So you can see here, first step it is copied the script into the server. The second step it is executing the playbook for first interval, and this second and third like that. So each and every time each 4 interval is get executed. So all this 4 interval, this memory utilization was less than 90%. That is the reason it is printed as a normal. Okay, scenario 1 is completed. Now I am going to explain scenario 2. So for scenario 2, we have to make the memory utilization should be more than 90%. Because of that I have mentioned in this script. You can see here, this is my script I have mentioned in the playbook. So here I have mentioned that threshold value should be 90%. I am applying the condition, if condition also. If it is 90%, and that print the utilization. So like that I have applied the condition, and this is the formula I am using for the memory calculation. So I already created another video. You can go ahead and watch it from the description link. Now I am executing the same. I have integrated this script in the same playbook. So I am going to increase the memory threshold. So like for example, I am going to, my system having the around 1 GB memory. So I am going to consume some around 585 MB memory for the 120 seconds interval. So that time only I can get the memory utilization will be more than 90%. So that will be help you to print my result like as per my expectation. Now I'm another screen. So I'm executing the same command. So the stress command, I'm going to consume 585 MB memory from my system. I'm executing the playbook now. You can see the result. The same playbook I have executed. So in the other screen I already started consuming the 585 MB memory from the actual system memory. Now the playbook is started executing. So it is preparing the result. Here is printed as a abnormal. Why is printed as abnormal? So during that time there was a memory utilization around like 90% might be reached. So 89.94 is almost near to 90%. So that is the reason it is printed as a abnormal. You can see the playbook result. The same playbook I have already uploaded in the SharePoint link. You can go ahead and download for your reference. All the script, everything is available. Thank you. Thanks for watching.